Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView Trading School. First, locate the Education tab on the TradingView platform to access the school. Once there, you'll find a structured curriculum designed for all skill levels. Start by browsing the introductory courses, which cover essential topics like chart patterns and risk management. Each lesson provides clear explanations and practical examples to help you grasp complex ideas quickly. Navigating through the trading school is straightforward. Each course is broken down into manageable modules, allowing you to learn at your own pace. You can easily see your progress, with completed lessons marked clearly. This helps you pick up exactly where you left off. Remember, you can always go back and review any lesson if you need a refresher on specific concepts or strategies. The trading school offers excellent interactive tools to enhance your learning. After completing a module, take the short quizzes to solidify your understanding. These assessments help identify areas where you might need more review. Additionally, apply what you've learned directly using TradingView's paper trading feature. This allows you to practice strategies in a real-time market environment, but with zero financial risk. Beyond the basics, TradingView Trading School offers advanced courses for experienced traders. Dive into complex subjects such as algorithmic trading, advanced options strategies, and in-depth technical analysis. Don't forget to utilize the extensive glossary for quick definitions of any unfamiliar trading terms you encounter. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you going strong during your trading journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.